Stenner manufactures several different pump series. As we saw on the factory tour, the pumps are manufactured as sub-assemblies first and then assembled according to the specific model. The sub-assembly snap-fit modular design allows easy conversion to another model within the same series.
The components are secured by stainless locking rivets, so the pumps can be disassembled quickly without tools, and that saves time.
Right. Valuable service time. A common feature is the peristaltic pump head, which provides the customer with several benefits. Stenner's peristaltic pump eliminates downtime due to the loss of prime from off-gassing solutions such as hydrogen peroxide, so you don't need a degassing valve, which can be troublesome and add to the cost of the pump.
That's right. There's a three-point roller design in the pump head which acts as a check valve to prevent backflow, siphoning, overdosing, and a loss of prime. If the tank runs out of solution, the pump can run dry without any damage to it. The tank can be refilled and the pump will prime even against pressure and at any setting.
And there are other advantages too. The solutions that are metered stay contained in the pump tube. They aren't exposed to air or moving parts in the pump.
Since the pump tube does all of the work, it will eventually reach the end of its service life. When it's time to replace the tube, the procedure is simple and fast. We'll cover tube replacement in the maintenance section.
And Karen, based on what you said about the snap-fit sub-assemblies, you can just snap on another pump head and it's really that fast.
Yes, because the way the pump is designed, you have options. So let's review the individual pump series.
The Classic Series is the most widely used pump, and it is the one that Stenner has been manufacturing the longest. You could say it's time-tested, especially with one of the most popular disinfectants and oxidizer, liquid chlorine. The pumps can be used with a dry contact water meter for proportional dosing, wired to a well pump pressure switch, or installed with a controller. The Classic Series is available as a single head or double head, with either an adjustable output or fixed output. The fixed output consists of a motor and the pump head. The adjustable output consists of the motor, feed rate control, and pump head. The feed rate control allows the pump's output to be scaled from 5% to 100% in 2.5% increments by turning the external dial ring. The SVP Series is an adjustable variable speed pump with a DC motor utilizing the same pump head as in the Classic Series. The pump can operate in a 4 to 20 milliamp mode to pace the pump. There is an external port to accept an input control signal from analytical measuring devices such as pH or ORP monitors and water meters. The digital control pad allows manual or automatic output control from 5 to 100% in 1% increments. The SVP is used in many applications, such as the injection of acids or caustics to alter pH for treatment of wastewater in manufacturing processes or wastewater facilities. The BDF Series is equipped with a low RPM motor and utilizes the same pump head as in the Classic and SVP Series. The pump can be programmed to provide the most efficient and effective dosing schedule and dosage amounts for treatment. Inside the motor housing, a programmable timer is activated by dip switches to provide a 24-hour or 7-day dosing schedule, up to 24 events a day and 21 ounces per event. Often, the pump is used to inject liquid enzymes that biodegrade suntan and body oils in commercial pools, or to inject liquid grease-eating bacteria to emulsify grease in commercial kitchens. The BDF can also be used to inject biocides on a timed basis into water fountains and small cooling towers.
In addition to the pumps we've just seen, Stenner has other products as well.
They have systems for convenience and additional accessories for installations. Let's take a look.
Stenner pump parts are available separately, packaged in quantities for a better value, or as service kits that provide typical repair parts for a subassembly. A useful accessory for any pump installation is the flow indicator. The flow indicator is a convenient visual reference to confirm solution is pumping into the system. The visual reference is especially useful when the flow indicator is installed on black discharge line, which is the color necessary for UV protection in outdoor applications. In addition, the flow indicator provides an indication of common application issues that can occur, such as a plugged injection point, ruptured or worn tube, or empty solution tank. Stenner tank systems are pre-assembled at the factory with the Classic Series single-head adjustable or fixed output pump. The pre-assembled system decreases some of the setup time during installation. The tanks are also sold separately. Select from 7.5, 15, or 30-gallon capacity in white or UV gray for outdoor applications. The proportional injection system delivers precise dosing proportional to the water system's flow rate based on water volume. The primary components are the Classic Series single-head fixed output pump, a dry contact pulsing water meter, and the pump control module known as the PCM. The system is pre-assembled at the factory on a panel that conveniently mounts to the wall for timely installations and equipment accessibility. The system was designed for use with variable speed well pumps, livestock houses, irrigation, systems with demand based on backup wells, and applications with varying flow rates. The proportional injection system is specifically designed to be used with the 3/4-inch water meter, but couplings are included to adapt to 1-inch piping systems. The system comes with a filter body and 2 filter screens of different porosity. Select from 30 to 100 mesh screens to suit the application. The PCM is a time-adjustable controller that powers the pump. The PCM receives a signal from a pulsing water meter, which actuates the pump for a set duration to inject solution into the water line based upon water volume. Each of the PCMs has a wide range of adjustments and has a locking feature on the adjustment knob. The PCM is a component on the proportional injection system and is also sold separately. The water meter is part of the proportional injection system and is also sold separately. It is available in a variety of flow rates. The meter utilizes a reed switch that provides a dry contact closure signal to the PCM to actuate the pump. The single-head fixed output model on the proportional injection system is also sold separately as part of the Classic Series pumps. The fixed output model is ideal for use with an ORP controller. It is utilized on Stenner's proportional injection system because the system's dosing is controlled via the water meter pulse and the PCM.
With all of those applications, you could say that the possibilities are endless.
Yes, it's just a matter of selecting the pump model with the output, output control, pressure rating, and voltage to suit the application.
This program has a segment that highlights the Stenner Pump Company and its manufacturing process. There's also a comprehensive segment for product maintenance and service. We hope you find them useful and informative.
For more information on products and markets, visit www.stenner.com or call 800-683-2378 or 904-641-1666.